Hey there, what's up? My name is Abhi and welcome back to another video tutorial of the Video App Monarchy plugin. And in this third video, we're gonna be only talking about the Video App Monarchy plugin settings and how you can use all the features and settings that we have in this plugin to create a perfect locked video that'll be shared by your visitors with their friends, and their friends will be sharing it with their friends, and their friends with their friends, and making things go viral and getting you a lot of traffic. Now, we've already discussed setting up the Facebook application and configuring your plugin in the last two videos. So if you haven't watched them yet, I really suggest you watch those videos first and then hop onto this one. So let's quickly jump onto our plugins dashboard, where I'm going to show you how to create a locked video. Now I'm on my post. I'm gonna go ahead and click add new, and let's call this post as 10 things that cats do, part 1. All right, now I'm gonna head over to YouTube and find a cats video, funny cats video. See what they have. Super Cats episode 1. I'm gonna copy this link, copy this, close YouTube, and then I'm going to click on this little red icon, which is the Video App Monarchy. I'm going to click on that, and Video App Monarchy settings page opens up, and this is where we're on the video settings page, and this is where I'm going to paste the YouTube URL that I just copied of the video. You can actually use YouTube, Vimeo, MetaCafe, and pretty much any of the video hosting websites URL here. We're gonna use YouTube for this tutorial purpose. I'm gonna click on validate. The plugin just validates the URL, shows you a preview of the video here. I can change the height. Let's change it to a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna click on to overlay settings, and this is where I'm gonna configure all the overlay background that comes over this video, and my call to action here, my Facebook button that's called the unlock button, and my countdown timer. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose a pattern here. I'm gonna click on choose patterns, and I'm gonna select one of these patterns. I like this one, so I'm gonna select this. I can change my overlay pattern padding size. I'm gonna increase that a little bit to let's say 10-11 pixels, right? So you see the overlay gets a little bigger from the edges of the video. So if you want, you can keep it at 0. It'll be right on your video. You can keep it a little bigger than that. I'm gonna keep it at 11 pixels. Then you see overlay border radius. This helps make these edges a little bit curvy. So I'm gonna keep them as 12 pixels, right? They look pretty neat now. And then we have the opacity setting. I can make this completely transparent if I want. You can make it completely untransparent, or if that's a word, or I'm gonna keep it at 70%. That's my sweet spot. So I'm gonna click on choose unlock button, so I can choose one of the unlock buttons that we have here. I like the green. No, I think orange or maybe white. I'm gonna use red one here. Okay, so I can drag the button and place it wherever I want. I'm gonna keep it here. Uh, I'm gonna set the timer now. We can keep the timer as 1 minute and 30 seconds, right? And I'm gonna drag here and there and place it there. The timer doesn't really have a functionality yet, because the only purpose of the timer is to create the sense of urgency with your visitors. So I'm going to keep it at the short time of 1 minute 30 seconds, and keep it at 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 100 minutes, whatever you want. So let's quickly hop onto the call to action. I'm going to type click here to watch this funny cat do her thing. And then I'm going to drag it, right? I'm going to change the color to white so it's visible. You can change the height to whatever you want, all that, if you want that. I actually like it at 15, so I'm going to keep it set at 15. And quickly head over to unlock, and select this at 15 first. Now we're on the unlock settings. Now the first thing you see is Facebook share title. Now this is the share title that appears when your user the pop-up window appears where users can invite their friends. So I'm gonna type this as check this out. Facebook sharing. Now when your users invite their friends and their friends get a notification in their Facebook account, they click on that notification and they're redirected to the page where the video was hosted. So if you keep this as blank, the friends will be redirected to the page where the video was hosted. But if you enter a URL here like google.com, then they will be redirected to google.com instead of the page from where they got the invite or where the video is hosted. So if I'm gonna keep it blank right now. Now, content reveal. Content reveal is that blue box that appears right under the video when the video is unlocked. This blue box pops up, and you can pretty much display whatever you want. So I'm gonna type here, click here to watch more of these videos, and I can redirect them to a CPL for whatever they want. Now let's quickly hyperlink this. I can do any HTML I want here in this little box. I'm gonna type dummy URL to YouTube and close this here real quick. So if you know a little bit about basic HTML, you can customize this box with whatever you want. I'm gonna scroll down and select the number of invitation required. I'm gonna keep this as set as 1, and you can use 5, 10, whatever numbers you want your visitors to invite their friends before they can unlock this. We have this display social sharing buttons, that those buttons that just pop up once the video is logged right below this content reveal thing. I'm going to keep this at yes. Then we have the multi-log thing. Now multi-log is advanced feature that we included in this plugin. What multi-log does is, for example, you have a blog where you have like 4 or 5 or more than one videos, and all of them are logged. So if you set multi-lock as yes on any one of those videos, and if someone unlocks that specific video that has multi-unlock set as yes and unlocks that video, then automatically all the video on your blog will be unlocked for that specific user. So if you want that, you can set it as yes. If you don't want that, keep it as no. I'm gonna keep it as no because we just have one video here right now. Then head over to the email settings. Now I'm gonna select that as yes, and we support get response, MailChimp, iContact, and Aweber right now, but we'll be adding more in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna select get response for this demo purpose and head over, grab a form. Now this is the HTML form that you get from get response or Aweber. I'm gonna copy the HTML of that form and paste it here real quick, and I'll click on validate to make sure the form is correct. Form validated, and I'm going to click on insert button. So my short code has been inserted here. I click on publish real quick, and let's see what we just created. So we are on the blog, and let's scroll down a little bit. Here it is. It's got a transparent overlay over it. You can see the video, you can see the play button, but you can't just click it because there's a timer over it. You got this little call to action here. You got this Facebook button. You can click the play button because you have to unlock it first. So I'm going to click on the unlock button here real quick. I'm already logged into my Facebook. So you see here, it gives a little title, VAM tutorials. It gives a little about this app. This is a VAM tutorial app demo purposes. You can customize that if, like I told you in the last video. I'm gonna click on the login here, and see it says check this app, and I'm gonna invite one of my dummy accounts so I can show you. I'm gonna invite this guy. This is a dummy account of mine, and click on send requests, and voila, here it is. My content reveal. I've got share button, and click on the content reveal. It takes me to youtube.com, same we said. Now let's see if this user that my email was subscribed to get response or not. I'm gonna head over to settings and click on VAM analytics. Click on that, and you see, okay, I was subscribed. They got my name, Abhi, they got my email, and I was subscribed at 3 p.m. 6 minutes, 3 p.m. 6, and yep, I was subscribed to my get response list, and the video was unlocked. And let's quickly check how the dummy account got the invitation. The video is unlocked here. I can play it if I want to. Let's quickly head over to one of my dummy accounts. Hang on. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna click on the notification. This is the one I just got about a minute ago. You see this little icon here? This is the icon we set up in the Facebook app. And I'm gonna click on invite real quick. It says redirecting to the video, and voila, I'm here on this URL from where I invited the user. Right, so I'm gonna scroll down. Oops, the video is locked for me. Alright, that is what we wanted. So this is how the plugin works. It's brilliant. I invited my friend, he got a notification, he went on to watch the video, but it was locked, so he'll invite his friend. If he invites me, it'll be always unlocked for me. So this is pretty much it with all the settings and all that stuff. It's pretty easy to configure, and if you have any questions, so please feel free to submit a support ticket at videoappanarchy/support to the technical department. I personally take care of that, for all the tickets coming to the technical department, so you can very easily get a hold of me, or you can email me at videoappanarchy@gmail.com. That's a support email desk. Thank you very much, everyone.